In the future, I want to spend time with friends and people that are close to me, sharing the things that I want to share, hearing the stories that they want to hear, being supportive, being caring, cooking dinner together.
I want financial security.
Learning about our problems.
I'm in my prime right now. My career is going gangbusters.
Helping people move. And watching TV together.
I just got to keep it going.
I love
once I save up some money, I think I'll be good. I'll be able to pursue my artistic
support each other, to live the lives that we really love.
And this city is so expensive. I really need to have money.
And that excitement.
In the future, I don't know what I want. Exactly. Nobody knows what they want.
Because 1, 2, 3. No, but right now. That's why I said too bad.
Oh, we were anxious to get in.
Oh well.
Now we get to see the wall.
The world.
The world down below.
And I gotta return. Thank you. I gotta return. I bought sleeveless t-shirt for my friend. He wanted a t-shirt and they were out by the time I got to that. I pulled it out last night and Valerie looked at me like, this isn't going to fit him. He's a big guy. The XLs are like this big. So I hope they take it back. Well, she noticed. She's like, no way. This is, I'm like, oh my God, I don't want to waste his money and pay for that. I'm going to take it back too. All right.
Don't look at the camera.
Don't look at the
camera.
Oh, are you
it's just taking our images, yeah.
Why?
It's a 360-degree camera. So it's getting everything all around it.
Why is that?
We're part of a film group. We're part of a film group.
So you are?
Yeah.
I think it's kind of like, I'm not really sure. People to relay like a serious personal trauma.
Well, she was writing a book about it.
There you go. Sorry.
I couldn't talk about it.